small crossover is officially coming to the US with unique styling, 2 drive types, and a few different trims to boot. The only thing it lacks is the European model's hybrid powertrain, at least for right now. The US spec Corolla Cross uses a 2-liter engine that produces 169 horsepower and 150 pound-feet, sent either the front wheels or all 4 via a continuously variable transmission ripped from the Corolla S. The company did hint at more coming next year, suggesting that we will see a hybrid version of the Corolla Cross in 2022. The suspension is fully independent on the all-wheel drive model, with a dynamic torque control system that sends up to 50% of power to the rear wheels, while the front drive version gets a new torsion beam setup in the rear. The Corolla Cross can also tow approximately 1,500 pounds in the right spec, and even with all-wheel drive, it returns impressive fuel economy. The front drive model achieves 32 miles per gallon combined, while the all-wheel drive versions nets 30 miles per gallon combined. The Hyundai Venue returns identical figures, but the Nissan Kicks is still the best of the bunch with 33 miles per gallon combined with standard front-wheel drive. Buyers will be able to choose from 3 trims, L, LE, and XLE, each with its own distinct set of features. The base L model comes standard with 17-inch steel wheels, while the range-topping XLE gets a sporty set of 18-inch alloys. The interiors of each trim also vary, with Softex faux leather seating available on LE and XLE models with 10-way power-adjustable front seats. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will come standard, but you'll have to pay extra for the 8.0-inch touchscreen display, with a corresponding 7.0-inch digital instrument cluster. Wireless charging is standard on LE and XLE models, or you can plug in via the front-mounted USB port, while those in the second row have access to 2 USB ports. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard on all versions of the Corolla Cross, with blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert standard on the LE and XLE models, plus 9 airbags throughout the cabin. One thing we don't know yet is how much the new Toyota Corolla Cross will cost. Considering its segment, we expect Toyota to price the base L model at under $20,000, while the LE and XLE models will likely cost in the low to mid $20,000.